Students, today we'll start with a new concept, but the chapters are same, that is decimal fraction. Today I'm going to explain you regarding the how you are going to write down half, quarter and three quarter in a decimal form. How you are going to write down the half, quarter, three quarter in a decimal form. So let's start with our new concept. Okay, now student, today the concept is half. See, half means what? Half हम कैसे लिखते हैं? We are going to write half in the form of 1/2. Fraction form में हम कैसे लिखते हैं half? That is 1/2. Now here half we have written in the form of 1/2. But how we are going to write down that half into decimal form? That is 0.5. Half means आधा. आधा means कितना होता है? 100 is there. 100 का half कितना होता है? 50. So here half is what? 0.50. This is the decimal form of writing half. Now part is color. In that four part, one part is color. So that we denote as it is a quarter. Quarter means 1/4. But how we are going to write down in the form of decimal? See, 100 में से one part is how much? From 100. This is 100. Whole means this is 100. Now four part means this will be how much? 25. This will be 25. This will be 25. And this also will be 25. So a quarter means it is 0.25. It is how much? It is 0.25. That is called as quarter. Quarter means 1/4. 1/4 is to be written in the form of decimal. That will become 0.25. Clear? Now next it is given three quarter. Now three quarter means what? Whole part. In that whole part, there are four parts. From that four part, how many parts are colored? There are three parts are colored. So we indicate that is this is three quarter. This is what? This is three quarter. Now three quarter means out of 100. How many are colored? Three parts are colored. That means 25, 25 and 25. 325 we join. It become how much? 75. So how we are going to write it down in a form of decimal? That is 0.75. 0.75. In this way, what you are going to write it down? Write it down the decimal form of the following fraction. That is half, quarter, three quarter. That is half, quarter and three quarter. So half means you have to learn. Half means it is 1/2. 1/2 means it will be written in the decimal form, that is 0.50. Quarter means it is written in the form of fraction, that is 1/4. Now 1/4 means it is written in the form of 0.25. Next is three quarter. Three quarter means 3/4. Now 3/4 means it will be written as 0.75. Clear? So in this way, you are going to write down the decimal form. Now next, what we are going to learn, I'll show you some example. Through that example, you will understood what and how you are going to write down if these types of sums are going to become. Now see here, the first example which I am showing you, that is 1/4. Now 1 means simple 1 कैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग? As it is 1. Quarter means how much? Now only I told fraction form of quarter is 1/4. Fraction form पहला लिखना है, that is 1/4. Now quarter means it is in the decimal form, that is 25. Now, so what we will write? 1.25. So in this way, you are going to write it down, the fraction in a decimal. This fraction in a decimal. See, 1 and a quarter. 1 means akka, 1 likha. Quarter means 1 upon 4. Now, how you will write this in the form of decimal? That will be 1.25. Quarter मतलब मैंने अभी ही बताया आपको, it is 25. Okay. Now, next example I have written, that is 1 and a half. See here, it is written 1 and a half. Now, 1 means 1. Half means 1 upon 2. How you are going to write this in a decimal form? That is 1.50. Because already I told half means it is 50, 50. So your whole number it is given 1. So 1.50. Clear? Now next one. 1 and 3/4. 1 and 3/4. Now 1 means I will write 1. 3/4 means 3 upon 4. Now 3 upon 4 मतलब decimal क्या था हमारा? Decimal था 75. Yes. So that will be 1.75. 1.75. So in this way, you are going to write down, you will write down the following fraction as decimal fraction. So the last sums which I have given you with, for example, that is 17 and a half. 17 and a half. So 17 means whole, you will write 17. Half means it is 1 upon 2. Half क्या fraction क्या है? 1 upon 2. So in the decimal fraction, what you are going to write? 17.50. How you are going to write it down? 17.50. So I hope I have explained you how you are going to write down the fraction in a decimal fraction. Okay. Now I'll give you one example which you people will let me know in the chat box. अभी आप लोग मुझे बताओगे. I am going to write down one example sum. Okay. See here. My question is 12 and a half. चलो. What will be my first number क्या होगा मेरा? Yes, very good. It is 12. Very nice. 12. Half means very good. 1 upon 2. So this I have written in the form of decimal. Oh, sorry, in the form of fraction. Now, what is the main answer? What will be the decimal fraction? 12 half. Very good. That is 12.50. Half means it is 50. Clear everyone? So in this way you are going to solve and you are going to write it down. Okay. Now don't copy down. We'll start with our problem set. Okay. Just wait a minute. I have to rub first. Now you people will do, and I'm going to unmute the student, and he is going to telling me the answers. Okay. Now problem set 40. Write the following fraction as decimal fraction. Write the following fraction as decimal fraction. Now the first question is given 2 and a half. Now first what you are going to write it down. Very good. Students are giving me the right answer. That is 2 means 2. Very good. Half means 1 upon 2. So the main answer is 2.50. Very good. Now next second question का answers. I want answers of second question. Very nice. 2 and a quarter. Now 2 and a quarter का answer. What will be the answer? Very good. That is 2 means whole number 2. Quarter means 1 upon 4. Very good. 1 upon 4. So it will become, main answer will become 2.25. 2.25. Very good. Students are giving me the right answer. Now third question is 2 and 3 quarters. 2 and 3 quarters. So very nice. It is be written as 2. 3 quarter means 3 upon 4. Very good. 3 upon 4. So the main answer will be 3 upon 4 means which decimal? Yes, 75. So the answer will be 2.75. 2.75. Okay. Now last question chalo jaldi. 10 and a half. 10 and a half means, yes, 10 and a half means it will be 10 and half means 1 upon 2. So the main answer will be 10.50. 10.50. Chalo jaldi. Now I got answers from you people also. Now you will copy down in your notebook. I'll giving you 2 minutes for copy down these things in your notebook. Okay, now the next problem set is problem set 41. Now here convert the following into decimal fraction and add them. Now what you have to do, you have to convert this decimal fraction and you have to add it. Add मतलब आपको plus करना है. So the first question is 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. See here 1.5 meter को add करना है 2.5 meter. Now how you are going to do it? I'll explain you. See. Don't write now. First see the explanation. Now listen to it. Now the question was given 1.5 meter. Now 1.5 meter, how you are going to write it down? How you are going to write it down? 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter, how you are going to write it down? I want answers in the chat box. 1.5 meter. Yes, very good, Tanisha. 1.5. Clear. 1.5. Okay. Then 2.5 meter. How you will write 2.5 meter? 2.5 meter. Very good. 2.5 meter. Clear? This is what? This is the question which we have written in the fraction form. 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. Now 1.5 meter. Now this we are going to write it down in the form of decimal fraction. Now decimal fraction means it will become 1.50 meter. उसके सामने या it is 1.5 means it is 1.50 meter. Now second it is given 2.5 meter, that means 2.50 meter. Now what you have to do? You have to add it. What you have to do? You have to add. So add it. How you are going to add? See, meter will become meter only. 0 plus 0. Yes, 0 plus 0 will become 0. Then 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 will become, yes, 5 plus 5 will become 10. So 1 will be carry and 0 will be down. Now point plus point. Point plus point will become point only. See, point को भी हमको ध्यान देना है, ऐसे नहीं छोड़ना है. So point plus point will become point. So 2 plus 1 will become 4. So what is our answer? What is our answer? It is 4.00 meter. What is our answer? Our answer is 4.00. See, it is given in the form of question. Question कैसे दिया है? 1.5 meter. So 1.5 meter you will convert that into a fraction. So it will be written as 1 and 1/2 meter. Second, it is given 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter means 2 and 1/2 meter. Now next what you have to write? You have to write that into a decimal fraction. को हमको decimal में लिखना है. Now 1.5 means 1.50 meter. Then 2.5 means 2.50 meter. See, numbers के नीचे ही numbers लिखना है, इधर उधर नहीं. नंबर के नीचे नंबर, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट. Then add करना है. After adding, what you are getting? You are getting answer as 4.00 meter. Is it clear? I hope you have clear with the idea how you are going to do this type of sums and how you are going to convert the following into a decimal fraction and adding it. Okay. Now write down in your notebook the first questions already you having in the textbook page number 57. Textbook page number 57 carry the first question. Write down questions and answers are here. Copy down fast in your notebook. Now see student, now the second question is 4.75 rupees and 7.25 rupees. See, 4 and, now first we have to see this one. ये जो first है ये आपको पहला देखना है. क्या है ये? 4.75 rupees. Now 4 that means 4. Quarter means 1/. It is written 3/4, not quarter. It is written 3/4 means 3/4. See what I am doing? Just listen it properly. Yeah? Don't roam here and there. Sit, take a proper place and see what I am doing here. 4.75 rupees. First आपको इसको fraction form में लिखना है. Fraction form means 4 as it is 4. 3/4 means 3/4. Clear? Now next is 7.25. क्या है next? 7.25. That means 7 whole. A quarter means 1/4. Clear? यहाँ तक किसको doubt है क्या? Anybody having doubt till here? Let me know the answers in the chat box. Anybody having doubt till here how I have written this thing? 4.75 means 4, 3/4. 7.25 means 7, 1/4. Okay, I'm getting the answer. That is no doubt. Okay, chalo. Now next part, this we have to write in the decimal. Decimal matlab 4 means as it is 4. 3/4, that is 3/4 means it is 7/5. So what we'll write? 4.75. क्योंकि quarter मतलब 3/4 मतलब क्या होता है? 75. So we'll write 4.75. Okay. Now next we'll see this question. That is 7 and what will be the 7.25. Now 7 means whole 7. Then quarter means it is 2/5. Quarter का मतलब क्या था? 2/5. Then what we have to do? Add this symbol and. ये and मतलब क्या होता है? Plus. और क्वेश्चन में भी दिया है you have to add it. You have to add it. Now we'll add. हाँ, चलो. Now 5 plus 5. चलो fast. 5 plus 5. Yes, very good. 5 plus 5 will become 10. So 1 carry. 0. Now 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, yes, 9 plus 1 will become 10. So 1 carry over here and 0 down. Now point plus point, point plus point, yes, point plus point will become point only. Now 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 will become, yes, 5. Now 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 will become, yes, it will become 12. So what is our main answer? Our main answer is, our main answer is 12.00. See, one thing we miss. क्या मिस किया चलो अभी बताओ. I want answers. I want what I miss for writing. Yes, very good Sakshi. What I miss? Rupees. मैंने यहाँ पे यूनिट, उसका क्या यूनिट बताया था उन लोग ने? It is rupees. So we miss. Don't miss this thing. So it is 12 rupees. Clear? Clear everyone? How we got this thing? How we got this thing? Clear? Okay. Just wait a minute. Chalo. Now write down fast the second sum in your notebook. Now I hope I have cleared the doubt of the students who have not understand also. Okay. Now students, the same problem set, but question number 2. Now in the question number 2, numbers are given in our decimal form, that is point में दिया है. You have to add it. Clear what you have to do? You have to add it. See how you are going to write it down, the numbers, and how you are going to add it. I'll explain you one by one. Now there are two sums. See, first sum, first and second. The first question is given 23.4 plus 87.9. See here. Now how you will write first? 23.4. जैसा दिया है वैसा ही लिखना है. 23.4. Now plus sign will write over here. Now next क्या है? 87.9. But whenever you are writing the second part, first part is already same as it is, you will write. But whenever you will write the second time, the second part of the same question, that time first you have to write down point. See, point के नीचे point डालना ना. point के पहला क्या नंबर है? Let me know the answer. Before point, which number is given? Yes, 87. No, Pradyuman. 9 is after point. 87. So we'll write from the left side only. 7 and then 8. Clear how you are going to write? Numbers के नीचे ही numbers. Point के नीचे ही point. Now after point, which number is given? 9 is given. So we'll write 9. Now what you will do? You will add. Clear? How I have written first number में मैंने कुछ भी changes नहीं किए. Second number जब हम लिखते हैं तब आपको पॉइंट पहला डालना है. पॉइंट के नीचे ही पॉइंट ना. पॉइंट के आगे जो नंबर है आगे लिखना है. पॉइंट के पीछे जो नंबर है पीछे लिखना है. चलो नाउ स्टार्ट एडिंग. ऐड करो. 9 plus 4. Yes, 9 plus 4 it is 13. So we'll carry either 1 and here 3. Point plus point will become point. Now 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. Yes, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 over here and 1 over down. Now 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So what is the answer? It is 111.3. What is the answer? 111.3. Clear? Now I'll explain you the second sum. चलो हम अभी second करते हैं. Then afterward we will write down both the sums. Okay? Now the second question same हमको पहला लिखना है 35.74. Clear? First we have written. Now next plus means you have to write here plus. अभी मैंने क्या बोला था, नेक्स्ट स्टेप कभी करने के पहला यू हैव टू राइट डाउन पॉइंट. तो पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट. अब पॉइंट के पहला क्या है 116. So we will write from the left side, that is 6 1 8. See my writing. 5 के नीचे मैंने 6 लिया, 3 के नीचे 1 और 8 का 8. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट के बाद क्या है only 6. Now the main thing what you have to remember, if there is any empty space, अगर empty space होगा so what you will put 0. See there was 2 empty space. 8 के ऊपर भी कोई नंबर नहीं था, 4 के नीचे भी कोई नंबर नहीं था. So if in this type of sum where there is an empty space, that time what you have to do, that time you have to put 0. 0 के अलावा और कोई नंबर नहीं. Now the empty space has been filled. Now the next last part is what? Addition part. So 4 plus 0 will become 4. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6, 6, 6, 12 plus 1 will become 13. Point plus point will become 0.6 and 5. 6 plus 5 will become 11. 11 plus 1 will become 12. So here will be 1, 2, 12. Now 3 plus 1 will become 4. 4 plus 1 will become 5. Very good. And 8 plus 0 will become 8. So what is our answer? Our answer is 852.34. 852.34. Clear? Understood? Whenever there is an empty space, you have to put 0. Chalo, now copy down in your notebook, everyone. Now here same things are given, but what is changes done here? Only the standard unit have been given. Centimeter is given, then meter will give, then rupees are going to become. So हमको क्या करना है? Answers or steps all are same, but what you are changing? Only centimeter you have to add one thing. Clear? Now we'll do the first for sum. See. The first question is given as 51.4 centimeters. See what I told? Only the changes are about centimeter and rupees. So 51.4 centimeter you will write, plus you will write as it is plus you will write as it is plus, then point के नीचे point, before point is given 8 and 6, after point is given 5, and next you have to write centimeter. Chalo, now add and tell me the answers. I'm not going to add it. I want answers from your side. पूरा add करना है और बोलना है. You have to write down the answers in the chat box. Add and let me know the answer. Very good. Student have done also. Very nice. Yes, very good. It is answer is given. Everyone giving me the right answer. Very nice. Yes. What is the answer? The answer is, others can also recheck. Very nice. That means you people know the answers and how you are going to do the set. चलो now do the second sum. चलो अभी सब लोग second sum करेंगे. 1 minute के अंदर I want answer of the second sum. 1 minute के अंदर I want the answer of the second sum. Fast. Student will cross check their answers with my steps. Now here the first it is given 94.7 meter. Okay. Now second step will be plus. Now next is point ke niche point. Now after point it is given 8, 3, 7, 1. And before point it is given 8, 3, 7, 1. After point it is given 4, 5, then meter. See, in this way you have to do. Now there are empty space, so वहां पे मुझे 0 डालना है. 0, 0. Clear? So we have filled all the space. Meter, meter will become meter. 0 plus 5 will become 5. Now 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 carry here, 1 down. Point plus point will become point. Now 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1 will become 13. Now 13 हो गया. Then 9 plus 1 become 10. 10 plus 3 will become 13. 1 carry. 7 plus 1 become 8. And 1 plus 0 will become 1. So the answer is 1833.15. 15. Clear? Harsha, your 32 is coming and 15 ke jagah pe 85. So redo one more time. See what I am getting and what you people are getting. Clear? So the student who has done right sums, well done. The student who has done some little mistakes, redo it and then after show. Okay. So here, now this is the last part of our chapter number 9. Now last problem set is 42. See, in the previous we have done addition. Now here we have to do subtraction. Steps are same. Only plus के जगह पे क्या करना है हमको अभी minus. Clear? चलो. Now we'll start with the sum. I'll write the questions and you will do the subtraction. I am not going to do subtraction. आपको ही करना है. So the first question is 25.74 minus point के नीचे point, then 3, 1, then 4, 2. चलो start doing. It is subtraction, हाँ? Addition नहीं है, तो add करके बैठोगे आप लोग. All the steps are same. Instead of plus, it is minus. Okay, now I'll show you. 4 minus 2 will be 2. Okay. 7 minus 4. 7 में से 4 गया तो 3. Point. 5 minus 3, 2. And 2 minus 1 will become 1. So it is 12.32. Clear? चलो. Now second sum. चलो जल्दी अभी second sum करो. Do the second sum. Same only. Yes, do the second sum fast. Very good, student. Giving me the right answer. The final answer I'll write over here. Cross check with your answer. The answer is 038.13. Clear? The second answer is 038.13. Very good. Students are giving me the right answer. Very nice. So here we have done with our problem set 42 and we have completed our chapter. The remaining things will be